Let's see how to delete the repository in GitHub. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the GitHub. So here you can see my GitHub account. Okay, and here you can see repositories, project, packages, stars, and all. Okay, so now let's go to the repository section because we want to delete the repository in GitHub. Okay, and here you can see so many different repositories. Okay, suppose if you want to delete any repository. Okay, for example, here you can see one sample repository which I have created in order to just show you for example like how to delete the repository. Okay, and suppose if you want to delete this repository means you can just click on this particular option settings. Once you click on settings, just scroll down. Okay, so once you scroll down on the last section, here you can see danger zone. Okay, so here you can see change repository visibility, disable branch protection rules and all. Okay, and here you can see the last option called delete this repository. Okay, so once you delete a repository, there is no going back. Please be certain. Okay, that means like if you delete this particular repository, you cannot make any more changes and this repository will be permanently deleted from your account. Okay, so I want to delete this repository permanently, so I will just click on this option, delete this repository. So I'm deleting this particular repository. I want to delete this repository, so I'll just click on this. Okay, so I have read and understand these effects. Select this to confirm, type in this in the box below. Okay, that means like we have to type this particular. So now we are going to delete this particular repository sample. Okay, so delete this repository. So just select this option. So here you can see your repository sample was successfully deleted. That means like the repository by name sample was successfully deleted, and let's try to refresh it now. So here you can see only 38 repositories, before it was 39 repositories. Okay, so this is how you can delete the repository. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.